The one ingredient that upgrades your cooking overnight, Iberico pork. It will make the best grilled cheese sandwich you ever had. Hey everybody, Johan Magnuson here, Big Sweet Barbecue. Today we're making an Iberico Birria grilled cheese sandwich. The first thing that we need to do is the birria sauce, so let's get started with that. We want to place a pan on our cooker, set it to high. We're going to toast some chilies, 6 chile de arbol, 6 guajillos, 2 anchos. We're going to pour 3 cups of beef broth into a bowl. And when the chilies are toasted, we're going to add them to the bowl and rehydrate them for about 20 minutes. We're going to add 5 half Roma tomatoes to our pan. We're also going to add 1 white onion and 5 garlic cloves. Then we want to cook these until charred for about 15 to 20 minutes. We're going to add the peppers with the broth to a blender. We also want to add the veggies. Then we're going to season with 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 tablespoon of Mexican oregano, and 2 tablespoons of an SPG rub. We're using our Big Sweet Barbecue Badass Texas Roast. Then we're going to blend this on high and set aside. The birria sauce is now ready, so let's prepare the Iberico Coppa. We're going to open the package, and we got a beautiful 3.5 pound Coppa. We're going to remove some excess fat, and look at the beautiful marbling. We're going to quarter the Coppa. It will cook a little bit faster this way. Then we want to season it all over with our Texas Boost again. We're going to add some butter to a pan, and then we want to brown the Coppa on all sides. This caramelization would add flavor, and man, it smells so good in the kitchen right now. Just look at that beautiful color. When ready, we're going to add another cup of beef broth, and then we're going to add the birria sauce. Now we're going to simmer this over low temperature for about 2 hours. Halfway through, we want to flip the Iberico Coppa over. The Iberico Coppa is sitting at an inner temperature of 205 degrees, so it's time to make some grilled cheese. We're going to remove the Coppa from the pan and place in a bowl. We're going to let it cool for a couple of minutes, and then we're going to pull it apart using some heat-resistant gloves. Look how easily the Coppa falls apart. We're going to add a couple of scoops of birria, and then we want to mix thoroughly. We're going to spread some mayo on 2 slices of sourdough bread. We're going to place these in a hot pan, mayo side down, and then we're going to cook these until they have a nice brown char. Then we're going to add some American cheese to the bread. We're also going to add some Mexican-style 4-cheese blend. Then we want to add plenty of the Iberico Coppa. We're going to add some cheese, and then we're going to add the sourdough bread. We want to spread some mayo on the bread, and then we want to place it mayo side down in the pan. We're going to add some mayo on the top side. Now we're going to cook it until it has a nice char, and then we're going to flip it over and cook until the cheese is melted. Then it's time to dip the Iberico grilled cheese sandwich in the birria, and wow, this is super flavorful. And that is how I make my Iberico Birria grilled cheese with Iberico Coppa from Campo Grande. And the last thing we have to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. Crispy outside, smells amazing. A little dip in the birria here, and so rich, so flavorful. I really hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.